Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to create a REST endpoint for deleting a document from the MongoDB database, and we're going to test our work. So let's begin. So inside the controller, I'm going to create a new method, public, and this is going to return a response entity. And I'm going to call this delete by ID, and this is going to take the path variable as a parameter. And I'm going to annotate this with the annotation at delete mapping, and the URL, which is /todos/ the variable name, which is ID. And inside this I'm going to write a try catch block. Inside the try block, I'm going to make use of the to do repository, and I'm going to call delete by ID method by passing in the ID, and we are going to return new response entity. We are going to return a message successfully deleted with ID, the one which is looking for, and we are going to specify the HTTP status to OK. It's nothing but 200. If something goes wrong, if the to-do is not found, then we're going to catch the error, return new response entity, and we're going to pass the message exception.getMessage, and we're going to pass the HTTP status to not found. Let's import the delete mapping. Alright, so let's save this. So now we have created a REST endpoint for deleting a document. All we need to do is we have to test our work. So let me remove this white space. Okay, so this is every time will happen. So there is something wrong with my Eclipse ID, so it will automatically shut down. So let me reopen it again. Alright, I have reopened my Eclipse ID. So let's go ahead and test our work. So let's go to the Postman, and first let's go to the read to dos and click send. We should get okay. So the application is not running, so let's go ahead and start our application. Alright, the application is started and running on the port 8080. So let's go to the Postman and click on this send. We should get 2 to-dos. Okay, so I'm going to delete the second one. So let me copy the ID and let's go to the update to do. Okay, so we already have a ID, so I'll change this to delete, and let's go ahead and click on this send. We should get deleted. So successfully deleted with the ID which we have specified. So now it is no longer available. So let's verify that in the Robo3T, and let's Control R, and you can see now we have only one record in the database. So let's go back to our Postman and let's save this request, save as, and I'm going to change this to delete to do. Let's save this. Alright, so now we have completed all the database operations, the CRUD operations, create, update, delete, and read. And this completes the part 1 Okay, so we have created the Spring Boot application and we have connected to the MongoDB database, and we have performed all the database operations, the basic database operations. In the second part, we are going to handle the validations and we're going to improve the REST API. So that is coming up in the next video. So I will see you in the next video.